Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your split testing for your squeeze page package. So the first thing we want to do is to jump over to Website Optimizer and create an experiment. We want to select the A/B experiment, which is the simplest way to start testing. We're going to just click the little I've completed these steps because our pages have already been created for us. First thing we want to do now is type in an experiment name. This can be any name you want to use, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to type in squeeze page test. Our original page is going to be where our squeeze page is hosted. My squeeze page is hosted on squeezepages.com. Here it is, as you can see it. So I'll go back to Website Optimizer and I'm going to paste in the URL for the original. Now the variations, I'm going to actually have 3 different variations. You might only have 1, you may have 2, but these variations all reside in the same place, which would be the URL to where your squeeze page is, and then split, S-P-L-I-T, underscore, number 1, .php. We actually have 3 of these different split pages here. And I'm going to actually go ahead and create the other 2 variations. Now I'll have split 2 and split 3. And then our conversion page is also going to be at our URL unless you have created yet another conversion page somewhere else, which is going to be your thanks page, which is going to be thanks.php. We'll click continue. And this is going to verify that the sites are there. We will install the Java tags ourselves. And then we will click check status. This tells us the installation is not complete. So we need to, are we missing a step here? Here we go. I'm sorry. So we're going to click on the view link right here, which is going to open up a new window and give us all the codes that we need for our squeeze page package. The first one is going to be the control code. So we're going to want to copy this code here. And then we're going to go back to our squeeze page settings, which are here. And we're going to paste this code into the tracking box here. We're going to make sure that this is also turned on so that this will show up. We're not going to save the changes yet because we're going to have to add some more code in here in just a second. So let's go ahead and go back to our atomize or our split test code, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom here and go ahead and grab our conversion page code, which is step 3, and we're going to copy it. We're going to go back to our setup page. We're going to turn on conversion code here. And then we're going to paste that code right here. Now we'll save these changes. And our next step is actually going to be to go to our different split page setup pages. So we'll click on the split test in the top. Now you can see we're on split test 1. We'll go to our general site settings. We'll go back to Website Optimizer. And now we're going to grab this one piece of code here, and this is going to go on all 3 of our split test pages. We'll go back to our split test page. We can still see I'm on split test 1. We'll turn this on. We'll paste this here, and we'll save these settings. We'll go to split 2, general site settings, turn on the tracking code, paste our code in here, save. And we'll go to split 3, general site settings, tracking code, and we'll paste our code in and we'll save our changes. Now we get to go verify whether or not we have our codes in the right places. So we'll go back to Website Optimizer here, and down here at the bottom of the page we're going to click on Validate Pages. And we have all green checks, which means all of our pages check out, all of our code is in the right place, and we are now done. It's really that easy to set up a split test with your squeeze page.